This next match is a triple threat match. And it is for the Warriors of Wrestling No Limits title. Introducing to you first.
How you like them apples?
There's the bell. Good to see a proper introduction to a No Limits title match this time around, as Joey Ace smart enough to not turn his back
What was that
on
thing
Matt
that rang?
Macintosh.
What was that thing that rang,
That was
Rob?
the bell. There's the bell. Is that what you're looking for?
Bell? The No Limits title match. You want to talk about blood? Has been brewing between all three of these men. Joey Ace having victories over both of these gentlemen at the expense of the other in the past. What's the best way to settle it? How about we put all three of them in the ring at the same time, and the first fall wins it, and will be declared No Limits champion.
Absolutely. As you said, all of these men have problems with all of these men. And now, here to settle it tonight, a three-way dance for the No Limits championship here at Warriors of Wrestling.
Joey Ace now. I do believe. With a monkey flip.
Oh, monkey flip by Joey Ace there. And Joey Ace in sole control of this matchup on the outside. Matt Macintosh and Logan Black. Oh!
There you go, and that's the best part about it.
Maybe a smart move to let them fight it out on the outside.
Safe falls do not count anywhere. Joey Ace can't get pinned inside the ring if there's nobody in there with him.
Absolutely. I don't think Joey Ace is one to just stand there and let the fight happen without him, though. Because it looks like it might be time for Air Ace.
Oh my goodness. Oh, he just clipped the wings of that plane. It's not time for Air Ace. That's a blackout from Logan Black.
This could be.
You want to talk about a blackout date? Just blacked out Joey Ace.
Yeah, freaking flyer miles no good for this flight. Oh! Completely legal here. Raking those eyes. Oh!
We are now. Logan Black donning some brand new trunks. That could be his key to victory here tonight. Catch him with a modified Dixie driver of sorts.
Here we go. Middle of the ring. 1, 2. Oh!
The pride of Charleston, Massachusetts. My man, Matt Macintosh, the bad apple. Makes his way in to break up the cover. And you gotta be doing it. It's not elimination style. That first pinfall will be declared champion tonight.
After Joey Ace, 2 matches in one night to win the Warriors of Wrestling No Limits Championship, could not be involved in the fall in losing that championship here tonight at Full Throttle.
Absolutely. We talk about the history between Joey Ace and Logan Black going back just a couple months. You want to go all the way back to October, so when Matt Macintosh started chasing this No Limits championship.
Oh!
Lest we forget, I do believe he has had more opportunities at #1 contender.
Matt Macintosh, 1, 2, could be only a 2.
Since October, I do believe that Matt Macintosh has had more opportunities to become not just the #1 contender, but No Limits champion, and he has come up empty each of those times.
Each of those times close. Each of those times potentially could have won if not for interference. So what I wanted to do was give them all a fair shot tonight and just let them fight it out.
Macintosh has got him up now.
What is Joey Ace thinking?
Oh my goodness!
God!
Cross body into a Samoan drop. Strange landing indeed.
He's got his pick. 1, 2 on Macintosh. A hair away. 1, 2 from defending his No Limits championship here.
Come on, ref.
Joey Ace left standing once more. Perhaps shouldn't be arguing with referee Steve Huey.
Billy Corey.
That is not his name, sir.
Huey?
Yeah.
Steve Huey.
That is his name.
It's like he sells VCRs in the parking lot.
Will you cut it out?
You got it, Joey Gladstone. Matt Macintosh now. Wait a minute. This could be the apple turnover.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh!
You can put it on the board. That's a new champion.
1, 2. This could. Joey Ace is kicked out. Face driven to the canvas by Matt Macintosh.
It's time that we brought some gold back to Massachusetts. And I think that Massachusettan in there.
Is that how that's said?
That's how I say it.
Just checking.
Macintosh now with a beautiful apple turnover. Joey Ace. Oh my goodness.
A power
That's a cover.
2.
Oh, a slap to the back. Nice to see you, Joey Ace.
A little bit of a tit for tat for last month, how their match started with a power bomb. Joey Ace unexpected at the very beginning. Oh!
Muscling him over with that Beal there.
1, 2, this could be.
Probably choking Joey Ace in the process. Picking a winner right now.
Oh!
Going been in multi-man matches, but even just those two guys in their own right, Macintosh and Logan Black, just as well, this could be his worst match yet. The worst odds, Rob.
Absolutely. And no traditional rules of wrestling to save him here. The referee can only watch them on the top. And Joey Ace, sometimes known for that blockbuster, sometimes known for dropping the elbow. He's on the corner now. Oh!
Oh, but wait a minute.
Clutched again by Matt Macintosh.
Oh, wait a minute. He could be looking for his new move. This could be, wait a minute. What is this? Oh, catches him. German suplex by Matt Macintosh. I thought Joey Ace was looking for 52 pickup.
And all 3 men are down now.
I thought we were going to see 52 pickup, that new devastating maneuver Joey Ace has added to his arsenal. Logan Black said no. That's what Matt Macintosh. All 3 men are out. Steve Huey is beside himself.
Macintosh is first to his feet, followed by Logan Black.
Oh my goodness! Right into the mush of Matt Macintosh. Joey Ace gets pulled in. Oh, there goes Macintosh to the outside. Logan Black in. Oh, wait a minute.
Looking for that
fire thunder driver. No. Catching him with a lariat. That Rainmaker-esque lariat.
1, 2. Oh, Matt Macintosh breaks it up. Again, this is the challenge for all three of these men. Maintaining not only the 3 count, but keeping one of their opponents out of the match for that 3 count.
Looks like Logan Black is reeling from that ripcord clothesline over there. Delivering up a plate of chops now. Chops for everybody. It's a barbecue in that ring. And everybody brought the chops.
Oh! Forearm sends Macintosh to the mat now. Joey is recovering in the corner. Only has a second. Oh, it's a drop kick.
We're seeing a new champion tonight. I don't care what you say. Oh, catch him on the tight. Reverse Pele kick.
Out on his feet. Macintosh has him up now.
Got him out. This could be that MacBook Pro. No. Sets him out.
1, 2. We could have a new champion fight. Logan Black
only gets 2.
kicks out. What must any of these men do, Top Shelf, to win the No Limits title?
Anything and everything. Have 0 limitation.
We have seen no weapons used so far because all 3 men know how much of a fight they all planned on bringing to Staten Island tonight. The weapons in this match are all 3 men.
Look at that tombstone. Look, here comes Tombstone. Oh, wait a minute, Joey Ace now.
Oh! Macintosh Shell, what is he thinking?
Oh, he drops the elbow right to the back of the head of Logan Black. He shoots the cover.
1, 2, 3.
Get out of here.
Joey Ace successfully defends his No Limits champion.
I told you I'm 5 stars above the rest.